So, medyo malamig na po rito. Kukunti na yung tao. Kasi hindi na kayang kumain sa labas. Because the temperature is dropping to 0 degrees. Which is freezing point for any water to start become ice. Yeah? Yeah. So, let's have some walk. And yes, that's the Calgary Tower. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, maganda. Maganda talaga sa Calgary. Okay, what do you like, love? Huh? What do you like? How are you doing, love?
I'm good.
You're good? That's very nice. Hang, grabe. Ba't yung order mo nga pang hang?
It's, ano yan? Nagtatry tayo maging healthy dito. Cucumber.
Healthy? Nasunog naman yung dila ko.
With what? Ano
Cucumber?
parang wasabi eh.
Cucumber? Masasabi? Very good. It's healthy.
Healthy.
Labas na. Ha? Typewriters? Okay, let's go up na. After drinks and lovely dinner with my wife, no? We're going back to the hotel na. Okay? Nasenglot na rin ako ron, ha? Ang laki ng ano, ha? Ang laki ng baso ng beer. Parang double. All work, no play, sabi labo. All work, no play, ha? Okay? So, mamaya nagpe-play tayo pa rin, ha? Okay? Let's go, let's go. Okay, labas daw tayo ngayon. Back to the reality. Freezing temperature again. Outside. Okay. Okay, ang ganda pala sa gabi, ano? Ano, Calgary Tower. Later, we'll show you around the Calgary Tower. Harap. Okay. This place is very memorable to me, no? Because in the just last 2 days ago, I'm flying here, no? Harap. We're flying. Remember? Okay. Let's go around and enjoy. Huh? Okay, this is a night in Calgary. Looks like. Okay. In Tagalog, ito po yung tsura ng gabi dito sa Calgary. With lights on and the buildings. Okay. Kita niyo pa yung mga ilaw-ilaw na yan. Okay, meron pang blue lights puro, no? Galing, no? Diba na meron doon, no? Yung blue lights sa yung building, oh. Kita mo yun? Blue lights. Okay, and on this side is the Calgary Tower. Yes, so nice up there. Okay, let's walk again. Sakay ho tayo ng kanilang train. Free train ride. Yes, every day for the rest of your life. Ha? Galing dito, daan-daan yung mga bayan. Oh. Sige. Wow, it's a wonderful view here, ha? Oy, somebody shouting out there, ha?
Yun yung ano, dun lang tatawid tayo. Kaya halang sandali na yung aso ang laki.
Ha?
Ayun yung aso.
Aso? Okay, good. Maglakad paggabi. I'll protect you, don't worry.
Dito tayo sasakay yun.
Saan? Ay, di pa sakayan? Okay, good. That's good. Okay, again. Calgary Tower. Okay, ito na pala sakay ng tren. Ayun yung mukha, umiilo pala sa gabi, labo. Yung mukha. Ayan yung mukha na yan, oh. Ito mo.
Ano hotel kaya yan? Ano kung taas mo?
Mukha. Ha? See? Whoa! Let's walk. Oof, lamig. It's cold, ha? Parang wala lang tao, love. Parang walang tao. Well, lakar na, pag malapit na yan. No? Pero parang wala lang tao.
Kakadaan lang ang train.
Daan lang. Kaya walang tao kasi daan lang. Okay. Yun tayo sa protected area from the wind and the cold weather.
Button for heat daw.
Ha? Push button for heat?
Oh, yeah.
Siya,
Hindi naman eh.
Hindi, pinitin mo lang. Try mo lang. Oh, what's happened?
Wala. Hindi pa siguro na.
Ha?
Wala na.
Parang UV light to baka tayo rito. Matusta. UV light.
At least, diba?
Okay.
Nagpo-protect ka sa
Correct.
sa kawalan.
Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa
Naka-cube.
glass cube.
Because
Okay,
so
because
cold
to
outside.
protect us from the cold winds that might turn us into ice. You know what ice, love, is? Ice?
Yellow.
That's yellow, yeah. But that's a natural occurrence when the temperature drops into zero. Yeah, when the water drops, the temperature drops to zero, the water turns into rock. And that rock is called ice. Yeah, it's called ice. Okay? Hindi mata, ha? Yellow. Okay? Understand. Okay.
Naniniwala ba ako sa'yo?
Tawa ka na naman. Akala mo, high ako. Hindi ako nakaka-cannabis ngayon. Love, ha? Okay? Beer lang tayo, lager. Okay? Amen. So, yun po yung ating ride for today. Sit! Whoa! Let's go! That's the bullet train here in Calgary. And that's for free. Free train ride here. Sanders Street. Let's go! Would you believe this is free, right? Free, libre. Open. Okay, good. It's inside. Okay, you sit. Okay, this is the night walk here sa galing tayo sa train station. And it's a very, very lighted walkway going to our hotel. Okay, our hotel is just about 3 minutes walk from the train. And it's very cold outside here now today in Canada, Calgary. This September 30th of 2024. Okay, bibilisan natin ang lakad para mabito natin yung lamig. Okay, mga sila napapainit sa Okay. Okay, ito yung mga bata, nilalaro po nila yung mga machine dito. Hoping makuha sila ng free tickets. Okay, that's it. And that is our hotel, Ang lovely pa ng hotel natin, Ayan, Safari. Kami yun. It's our hotel. Hilton Garden. Okay. Hi. So that's it. We're almost there. Okay. That's it. Sarado na. Okay.
Ayan pala yung library,
Oh, ito na pala. Pinatati kanina. Sa likod lang pala ng building natin, no? Okay. Let's walk and check the, yung gimikan sa gabi. But today, it's September 30th and it's fall na po yung mga restaurant po rito. Halos wala na po outside, outside diner, kundi sa inside na sila sa loob kasi malamig na. Okay? Okay ba? Hindi mo na yata okay. Yep. Are you okay ba?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the bathroom, washroom because I'm nahihina ako. Yan, dyan tayo kahapon. Pasok tayo dyan. Notice tayo.
Sige, pasok ka.
Okay. Let's bolt in. Meron pong iba? Ha? Meron ba iba? Hindi, okay sa loob naman dyan. Halika. Iba na at there sa loob. Let's go. Let's go inside. Yan, automatic door. Okay, good. Good naman inside, Okay. This is the local public eatery. Let's get inside. Okay. Summer of local public eatery here. It's a nice place again. Opa. Okay. Let's find a nice spot here. Inside. Okay, lots of TVs here. Washroom. Okay, let's go to the washroom. Washroom downstairs. Ay, ano yung drinks mo? Ha? Guava? Kala ko naman yung tawag doon? Mesa sa gilid? Ano yung tawag sa mesa sa gilid? Mesa sa gilid? Ha?
Ay, hindi.
Tequila.
Hindi tequila.
Ha? Margarita?
Margarita.
Oo, kala ko margarita yan. Di ba margarita yan?
No, it's guava, spritz.
Ayan na, sa gilid. Tingnan mo nga. Dilaan mo nga sa gilid.
Dilaan mo.
Oo. Dilaan mo. Ayan. Asip? Let's watch. Asip? Asip ba, baby?
Parang sinampalukan.
Parang ano?
Sinampalukan.
Sinampalo.
Try mo.
Ah. Parang sinampalukan ba? Sinampalukan?
You try.
Ay, try na natin. Kung talagang lasa sinampalukan itong in-order mo. Amoy sinigang.
Oo. Di ba? Lasan sinampalukan, di ba? May kamyas nga eh. Ayan o, kamyas yan. Asim, no? Sobrang asim. Anong masasabi mo?
Parang napaso yung labi ko eh. Ano ba yung mga yung mga
Sobrang asim.
parang mga sili ba yan?
Medyo spicy
Sili?
siya na maasim. Ayun
Napaso?
ba, nakita mo? Eh, ano siya, yun. Kamyas.
Amyas eh, no?
Yeah.
Parang pumasok na sa singaw ko yung ano eh. Sili. Ang sakit. Pumasok. Singaw. Grabe yan. Hindi ka na straw. Mababagsik yung ano, yung dinikdik na sili. Okay. Okay, that's the steak and fries. Grabe sa late ng ngayon. Ako nakatambal ito serving, ha? No? Kasi only cheap naman eh. Pang ano lang ko ito eh. Para pang snack lang, no? Okay, good.